4:30 here in Tacloban. Super early. Catching that first flight to Manila. This is the line. We started allowing people to come in around 4:30 right at this time. Our flight is at 6:30 and we should be in Manila close to 8 o'clock, maybe 7:45. Baguio, finally, Dumaguete, Philippine Airlines. Welcome to Manila. Now we're gonna go get our baggage. Oh, look at that. So we had extra time before we could check into the Airbnb place that we booked, and we decided to have breakfast and on the way to Mall of Asia. Mall of Asia makita. So we've got an hour's wait before Mall of Asia opens at 10 o'clock. And we're just gonna hang out here and have breakfast at this place called Single Origin. Alright, so our food has just arrived. This place is nice. How's your food? Good? Salmon's good. So we're here at SM, here at Mall of Asia. Considered, I think, to be the biggest SM store in all of the Philippines. Oh, it's an outdoor mall? This is the way to the mall?
Yes, sir. For the main one.
Oh, okay, thank you. Looks like the outdoor part of the mall. These are all restaurants. Where are all the stores? We got some help from the security guards, and apparently this is the entrance. So we're east meets west here in Mall of Asia. Many of the stores here are stores that you would normally find in the US or Western countries. And then of course you've got Jollibee and Panda that are local here in the Philippines. Although like Jollibee has opened up branches in the US also. So we're gonna check this place out for the next couple hours. See what we can find. See 3 levels here. There's Lacoste. But you have it made in China though. Breitling. I mean, these are all Western stores that you would normally see in the Western world. Spirit. Long jeans. For a shirt, 3,500. T-shirt, 2,000. Like hologram.
Ito?
Hologram.
Ato may wire. May wire here habang.
What's the laser arena? That must be a game place. Oh, they got the Gap. Have you been to the Gap? Come on, I'll show you. You might like it. Man, it's been a while. Their own brand of denim. So, but it's 30% off of that.
1,000 not even.
We got some Mickey Mouse, Gap Disney shirts, and then we have him, half naked. Levi's is right around the corner. 10% off 2 items. Polo shirts for 2,200 pesos. We got Cheese Shock. Comfortable shoes. Casio watches are here represented. Timex. Shoes. A lot of the Merces they use or they buy from Rockport because of the comfort. Good morning, sir. 7,400. It's nice. 7,400 pesos for some loafers. Last pairs. Oh, this is archery. Yeah. You want to ice skate? Try ice skate. I'll just watch you. I'll keep an eye on the bags. Come on. So if you ever want to go ice skating, it's $350 for 2 hours. No, 1 hour. I'm sorry. Hold on. $350 for a 2-hour pass for skating. locally made. Guitar. It's okay. So they've got Pacifica, Yamahas, for Yamaha, and some acoustics.
So this is our brand. This is Linux brand.
Oh, this is your brand here?
Yes, sir.
Severo?
You can test it if you want. You can sit down.
Where's it made? I mean, like here in Manila or
No, I think
Cebu?
it's still in China.
Oh, China.
Oh. Sir, yung Severo natin made in China pa rin to, no? China. But it sounds actually good.
Solid? Good?
It's actually leather.
This is a different Bose than we went to earlier. I think so. Yeah, I know. It's different. Breakfast table, sofa that turns into a bed. Yep. Not because we're just maybe 10 minutes from the Mall of Asia, and it's conveniently close to the groceries, residences, breakfast here, and snacks at night. So this is the place. A swimming pool. I wonder if it's viewable from here. No, see? This is the view from our room. I think this is all part of the sea residences. It's nice and cool. Some space for your clothes. So we went to the groceries. Actually, it's a convenience store and no food. So it'll save us some money. And we have the comfort room. Heated showers. Pretty clean. Here's a washer to wash your clothes with a microwave, oven, storage space here for your dishes and glasses.
Sa dulo po, sa dulo. Wala po mag-over the backwards.